Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures. Right now, we're braving up with Harrah's right now. We're going to do a quick walking through tour of Harrah's Las Vegas, so I hope you guys enjoy. Over to my right is the Flavors Buffet. Like we've talked about, all these buffets are going to be closed during this Phase 1 reopening of Las Vegas. So if you're trying to check out the Flavors Buffet, that's where it's at, but currently you can't do so because she is closed. Now, as you can see on the machines over on my left, you'll see every other one with kind of that blue message on there. That's letting you know that that game is currently deactivated and you cannot use that particular machine. The box office to get your tickets to all the shows is going to be on my right. If you go straight out there, that will take you right in front of the Mirage, so you'll definitely have to check that out. The poker room is right behind those glass over on my right, currently closed. But over to my right, there is a blackjack table. I saw $10 minimums on that one. We're going to make our way down this kind of front part of Harrah's and explore this fabulous resort and casino. If you win any money, over to my left-hand side is going to be the cashier's cage here in Harrah's, but there's plenty of stuff to see within this hotel and casino. Right now, it seems to be a pretty busy place here in Harrah's for the reopening. As you can see, some choose to wear masks, some choose not to. It's one of the things that if it were up to me, I would require everybody to do it. I know people don't agree with me on that, but it's just a way to kind of keep everybody safe. So Cake Boss, that is over to the right here in Harrah's, so we'll have to check that out. This is going to be the casino bar that's over on your left-hand side. A little bit further down on the right-hand side, there's a piano bar here where they do have some pianos and stuff on like Friday and Saturday night. It's a really cool spot to hang out. Some good music that's being played all the time. That piano bar is a very, very, very popular place. It's right over to the right. Straight ahead is Starbucks. Over to the left, this Num Bar literally has been there for like the last 8, 9, 10 plus years. That thing hasn't changed. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. So that is definitely a cool thing when you see stuff that has remained the same. Over to my right is going to be the sports book here at Harrah's. Over on my left-hand side is going to be the High Limit Slot Lounge for you. So if you want to check out the High Limit Lounge, you certainly can. The famous statue is going to be off to my left over there where you see them cleaning over there. So I'm going to take a straight shot down this casino walkway because I don't think I've ever taken you guys on a straight shot through this walkway. But there are a lot of machines to play here within Harrah's. I used to stay here quite a bit. Like I said, I used to love Harrah's a lot. I know this place like the back of my hand. The only thing that kind of turned me off from Harrah's is when they changed the scent, and then it gave me so much of an unbearable headache that I couldn't even stand to come into this place. Fortunately enough for me and the rest of you, they've changed the scent once again, so it's not as appalling as it once was. Restrooms that are open are going to be directly over to my right-hand side there, so if you're looking for open restrooms, you can find them there. I know some of these restrooms and areas are open, some of them are closed, so that's something to take into consideration. Usually the best spots that I find are right by the bathrooms and right where the cocktail servers are. I've had a few people ask me, are the cocktail servers actually working? Yes, they are. You can still get a drink. You can still get your mixed drinks. You can still get beer. None of that has been limited per se. But as you can see in the middle, in between that gentleman, those two machines are deactivated to try and keep everybody safe. So you'll see where they've limited chairs, but people will move the chairs around and things like that to be sitting next to their loved ones. I thought it was dumb that they removed the chairs, but I can certainly understand why. They want to keep social distancing in mind and on top of mind for everybody. Over to my right, that's a little bath body shop there. Straight ahead is going to be the lobby check-in area here at Harrah's. If you take those escalators and go straight up, that will take you towards where the monorail is. Toby Keith's I Love This Bar, and the parking garage will all be up that escalator. Over to my right, this would be their Fulton Street Food Hall. There are a few places that are open within the Fulton Street Food Hall, a few places that are not. One of the things that I do enjoy here about Harrah's is this lobby bar. The Bartender there has always been very, very decent, very, very quick, attention to detail orientated. That guy is awesome. He'll keep your drinks ready before you even notice that you're gone with a drink. He'll notice that you're gone. So over to my right, that's where we've always started off all the strip walk videos. Unfortunately, this is an employee-only tower bank now, so we will not be starting the strip walk videos inside the elevator hall like we always once did. So as you guys saw those changes through the Las Vegas strip walk from 2017 through 2020, all the changes that were done, unfortunately we're not going to be able to document those changes. But if this way looks familiar, this is because this is the way that we've always taken on all of these little strip walk adventures and things like that. We've always taken you right by the statue, branched off to the left, kind of went up by the Numbar, Starbucks, worked our way down towards the Horseshoe and kind of into the Link. So if that's why this all looks familiar, that's because of that fact right here. We're going to take you over here to where there's some more table games and stuff like this. This will kind of take us back to where we first started this video over by the Flavors buffet. But I think this will kind of lead us to the end of this walking tour here through another one of these fabulous resorts and casinos. So again, I would like to say a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Thank you to all of you for taking your time out of your day to watch these videos. Be sure to share these with your friends and family. If your friends and family are coming here, share these videos, give them an idea of what they could expect to anticipate. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you have not already done so. But as always, guys, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures. Until the next time.